Well, I guess Rem isn't here today, so I'm going to be taking over the tutorial. But first, my name's Taylor, and I'm from Australia. And first, you can find my Instagram,
Facebook, YouTube, Tinder, Twitter.
Comrades, today we are going to learn some WAF tricks.
Let me take it over from here, guys. Today's tutorial will introduce the concept of wild tricks, which will allow you to impress and show interesting effects with fans. Here we'll be showcasing different skills to use with fans, such as tosses, contact and body rolls, kicks and hits, and balances. Other than tosses, you can try contact or body rolls, which can be either used with your body or the other fan. If you don't see yourself rolling, how about trying some different balances? If your fans don't balance like they should, kick or hit them into shape. Thanks for watching. Although these skills are just examples, try and explore your own ideas of wicked tricks and create some fancy moves.
By the way, thank you for 3K subs. Keep subscribing though. You can also check Taylor's account at
I sold my tickets, my job is done. Fuck you all.
See you next time.
Who cares about